Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Early Years YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Caterpillar coding robot. I've done a few videos like this in the past. I've done the Code and Go robot mouse and the Ozobot, so if you'd like to take a look at those, I'll put the links down in the description for you. Today we're going to take a look at another robot that uses directional coding to tell him where to go. So when you get one of the Early Years kits, this is actually included in the coding kit. When you get the kit, it comes with all these parts that you see in front of you. So there's a start spot and an ending spot. These are just places where students can put them around so that when they're coding, they know where to start and where they want their Caterpillar to end. It also comes with just some basic instructions on what each of these pieces do. It comes with 3 forward pieces, so if you plug this guy in, he's going to go forward. There are some turning pieces, so depending on which way you want the Caterpillar to turn, you choose the turning piece that you want. And then there's just a fun little extra piece that just makes the Caterpillar make a sound. So in order to code this Caterpillar, it's really easy. You don't need an app or anything like that. Everything is just done with the Caterpillar itself. So the Caterpillar is really easy to code. All you have to do is pick the pieces that you want in order to tell the Caterpillar where to go. So the first thing I wanted to do is just to go forward. You would pick a forward moving piece. And then once you plug it in, you'll see that it'll light up and tell you that it's ready to go. And then let's say I wanted to turn, I would take a turning piece. He makes a lot of noise as you're programming him, and then you just plug it in. It's as easy as that. You just keep going until you have the program that you want. So you see that these 2 are lit up. That means that he's ready to go with these 2 codes. And then I'll add just the fun little sound at the end. Easy. That's all you have to do. You can take them out, change them around, and try it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on the ground so you can see just how that code works. Now that I have them on the ground, you can see that I have the forward, the turn, and the sound pieces put into the Caterpillar, and I just want to get them started. So what you need to do is you press the start button and you hold it down until you see all of the little coding pieces lit up, and that tells you he's ready to go. And then you just give him a little tap on the head, and he's ready to stop. Thank you so much for joining me and learning about how to use the Caterpillar coding robot. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button so that we know to make more videos like this. If you have any ideas for any other videos you'd like to see from us, make sure you leave us a comment down below letting us know which one. And to stay up to date on any future videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.